A part of the mantle, lithosphere. The surface, the uppermost mantle, it appear. So solid, but somewhat agile. The earth is like an organ system. They have many layers, nevertheless fragile, filled with rocks and soil. Mindful for the spoiling oil, avoid consuming them too often. Expected avalanche fallen. Lithosphere provides forest related to the layer crust, the source of life, which is important. Strolling on the surface on August, wishing to recover our forest.
Crust holds a thin shell on the surface of our planet. The crust lies on top of the mantle, the layer that developed pomegranate. Just like we, humans yourself, develop up a plant. The surface where living things belong, and where we individuals get along. Our existence depends on the layer of the crust we stand on. The outermost yet the thinnest, the utmost, othermost, coldest. On the other hand, the safest. Crust, mantle, oceanic, bonded together. Below us, lava occurs. The crust defends us, however, protected, defended, we must keep.
Mantle exceedingly covers the Earth, like the Pacific Ocean, over thousands of kilometers thick, just like a massive explosion. Fluid filling the mantle, oh how it's so febrile, bubbling, boiling lava lurks around, deep, deep down inside the ground. Oils hide around greatly down, lying low, stealthily, furtively, as if it's hiding from a clown. Even though there are many things that could be acted, with oils all over the mantle, we shouldn't take this earth for granted.
Deep beneath the earth lies the core. The planet was just rocks, metal, and nothing more. A ball of solid iron ringed by liquid metal. But the heat was never as close as a boiling kettle. Inside the core is possibly uranium, platinum, and gold. The inner core is now centuries old. Its scorching magma flows like a river, making it as hot as ever so you won't ever shiver. The inner core formed a magnetic field, Earth's one and only shield. It ensures us of the sun's highly charged rays, making sure we don't get hit by the radiated blaze. So we need to protect the Earth, and we must see its worth. Protect Mother Nature and its surrounding, so we can keep this planet astounding.
Outer core, made out of mighty iron and nickel, as mighty as a boar, and larger than a pickle. Just like a running wheel, it spins, faster than the earth. Even a pinwheel can't compete. Temperature higher than the Sahara, hotter than an aloe vera, making all metals melt into a liquid magma. Nothing nicer than the way magma shimmers a magnificent red. Nothing could ever compare.
The oceanic crust is the uppermost layer of the oceanic tectonic plates. The oceanic crust is further more delicate than the Earth's states. This oceanic border has been traditionally divided into 3 layers, and the oceanic crust is around 6.5 acres wide. As the oceanic crust grows older, the farther it drifts apart. As long as the crust grows old, the size will grow off the charts. As they drift apart, a new land will start to form like a fresh start. Though it might create land, but it can also create catastrophic events that could cause a new kickstart. Inside the crust, rocks form to fill up the crust. As the rocks form, it starts to develop new types of rock that some may glitter like stardust. The 3 layers of the crust shows how deep the crust is, even though no one has tried to explore that place, or they'll be turned into dust. Though people have never tried to explore the crust, if they ever do, they might just have to rush.